Hello guys, today's video will introduce how to use micro SD card to record video and what to do if the SD card cannot be used. Let's get started.
Hello, Kevin.
Hello.
You said the camera can support SD card recording. Why can't this SD card be used and it can't even be inserted?
Oh, let me see. You can try to insert it on the other way around. See if it works. Notice that when it is inserted correctly, you'll hear a slight click. If you need to take it out, press down and it will pump back out automatically.
Okay, the SD card is inserted. What do I need to do next?
Now please format the SD card in the Cam 720 app. SD card setting interface and then set the recording mode.
Sorry, I can't format the SD card because it says it doesn't recognize my SD card. Can you help me check it?
I found several problems. Never heard of the SD card brand you are using. I recommend using brand cards such as SanDisk and Gigastone. These brands have better compatibility and a lower probability of abnormality. Your SD card capacity is 1 GB currently. The camera can only support SD cards with a capacity of 8 to 256 GB. So you need to try another card.
Okay, I have replaced the SD card with a compatible one, and the app has successfully recognized the SD card. How do I set the video recording model next?
Please click on SD card set and show in the figure below to select the recording mode. The three recording modes, all day video, detect video, and timing video. Please select the recording mode you want as shown in the figure below. Please note that the detect video recording mode requires the motion detection function to be enabled as shown in the following figure. Please click on SD card as shown in the figure below to read the video playback. Tips: if the SD card is full, the previous video files will be automatically overwritten. If you have important files to keep, please recall the screen to save the videos you need. As shown on the video below, the blue area indicates that the video image is relatively still and the person or object is not moving. If you have enabled the motion detection function, a red arrow will appear indicating that there of people or animals moving in the played video.
Wow, thank you so much. I have set up the SD card recording and understand the possible reasons why the SD card cannot be recognized. For the convenience of others, I have made a summary as follows.
That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope the video is helpful to you. See you next time.